Everyone says, just love coding. Yeah? Cool, but how? How do you love coding when you've been stuck debugging for 3 hours just to find a missing semicolon? It's not about forcing it, it's about hacking your brain. So let's hack it right now. Treat coding like a puzzle, not a chore. Why do people binge Netflix or play games for hours? Dopamine. Your brain's hunting for tiny wins. So give it some. Start small. Can I build a script that sends my friend 100 memes at 2 a.m.? Please don't, but that's the vibe. Forget boring projects. Don't build a portfolio site. Build one that autoplays your victory theme when someone visits. Now we're talking. Use APIs, break CSS, animate something ridiculous. Curiosity is fuel. Pour it everywhere. Next, build a ritual. Consistency isn't sexy, but obsession is just consistency with better branding. Code at the same time every day, even 20 minutes. Eventually your brain starts asking for it like caffeine. Try Pomodoro, 25 minutes on, 5 off. Use Toggle, use Forest. Gamify it, make progress addictive. And if you skip a day, who cares? Code double tomorrow or don't. Chill, reset, keep moving. Code in public, not like on a bench with squirrels. Post it, tweet it, push to GitHub, drop it in Discord. Accountability makes you care. Flexing a hello world is basically a dev tradition. Own it. Now, learn like a hacker. Don't just sit through tutorials like it's a lecture. Break stuff intentionally, clone a repo, wreck it, fix it, repeat. Hate algorithms? Do more of them. Suck at CSS? Build 10 ugly buttons, then make them clean, slick, gorgeous. Use Anki, flashcard the hard stuff. I cried over recursion once. Now recursion and I make jokes together. Growth is weird. Find your tribe. Ever heard of rubber duck debugging? Explain your code to a duck. Or better, explain it to a person. Join dev.to. Hashnode, local meetups. Devs act like we're all lone wolves, but deep down, we're just looking for someone who gets why our ternary operator broke everything. Teach, build with others. You know you're leveling up when you say something and think, wait, did I just explain that correctly? Holy crap, I know this. Next up, lazy efficiency. Let's be real. Obsessed devs aren't just working hard. They're lazy as hell, but lazy in the smartest way. Why write 100 lines when a loop handles it in 5? Why test manually when automation exists? Use scripts, Bash, Python, GitHub Actions. Build once, reuse always. Let the bots do the boring junk. I automated my deployments last month. Now I click one button and deploy while eating chips. That's not lazy, that's genius. Finally, save this video. Seriously, bookmark it, because next time you're stuck in that 3-hour bug spiral, come back here and I'll be right here, yelling at you to keep going. You got this. Let's code.